Magandang hapon po ng July 27, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 27, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, July 27, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 27, 2026, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, July 27, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for July 27, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.